It's raining finally. Hi, Nephew! And he's having so much fun. He loves it in the ground, and it's so important to have a ground near your house if you have dogs. I mean, he loves walking in grass and just running after birds. It's a nice, open space where he can just run and chase birds and be himself. Eee! So yeah, although it's really dirty and wet, there is water all around, I just thought, take him out for a walk and let him just play around before he gets a bath today. So yeah, he's just having fun. He loves it. Chichi Kenchue. कितने सारे मैं विशाल इस साइड से कुछ ज्यादा ही है ना? उधर को नहीं थे, पता चला मग खा गया इनको। मैक्सू कबूतर तो उड़ गया, आपने उसको डरा दिया कितना। Come back. Where is Kanika? Maxi? Kanika कहाँ है? कनिका कहाँ है? कहाँ पे है कनिका? जाओ ढूंढो उसको, ढूंढो। किधर है? मैक्सो आपका कुछ नहीं है बिट्टू, इसमें ये मम्मा का काम का है, देख लो, स्मेल इट, देयर इज नो चू स्टिक, देयर इज नो पेडिग्री मम्मा। लेट्स ओपन दिस। आई थिंक actually I'd ordered a shampoo and a concealer from Nykaa. I guess this is what it is. And look at him, he's so attentive and is looking at my parcel. Okay, by the way, he gets super excited every time a new parcel comes. कुछ नहीं है मैक्सू इसमें, I swear कुछ नहीं है। You're a good boy. Now he makes this puppy face and a wagging tail. Who cannot love him? Who cannot love him? Who cannot love him, Mama? I love you so much, Mama. I love you so much. Do you love Mama? Oh yeah. Chalo, let's open the box, Maxu. Yay! Maxu, are you excited? I hope you guys can see me. Okay. कुछ नहीं है आपके काम का। Oh, okay. So it comes in this kind of a packaging. It's smaller than I expected it to be, and kind of smells very medicinal. Arey, it's a very small bottle, dude. What is this? Isn't it 250 ml? Yeah, it is, but it looks very small to me. ₹500 का शैम्पू, इतना छोटा। मैक्सी कुछ नहीं है ये। यू लाइक इट? खाना है? शैम्पू खाना है आपने? दैट इज सो स्टूपिड। शैम्पू नहीं खाना। So this is, I don't know how to pronounce it, Linfage, I guess. And if I'm not mistaken, it's an Italian brand. Yep, I don't know what all is written in there, but I basically bought it because yeah, it's an Italian brand, Bottega di Lunga Vita, I guess. Okay, now he has to go under my feet, not feet, basically under my legs. Maxu, sit down, mama. Come here, 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 come here. Good boy. Hi, good boy. Hi, good boy. So I'm disappointed by the packaging. Actually, it looks very medicinal to me, and I don't know. It's just, I expected a bigger bottle because it's pretty expensive. I think I paid around 600 rupees for this. Yeah, for 600 for sure. And I basically bought it. Yeah, I was telling you that I basically bought it because it is SLS paraben silicone free. Yeah, so so I was telling you guys that before this, I mean, currently I'm basically using the Vivlant shampoo, and prior to Vivlant shampoo I was using these brands which were like SLS and paraben free, and I'm not sure, but I guess Vivlant gave me dandruff. I'm not sure though, because it made my hair feel really nice and silky and soft and everything. But for the past couple of months, I think ever since I started using Vivlant, I had been having dandruff issues, and I've never had any dandruff issue my entire life. Okay, so I'm not sure, it may be the shampoo, or also I shifted to a new place, so maybe there's a water change, so it might be because of the new place. I'm not really sure, so I thought I'll try out this shampoo. I'll get back to my SLS and paraben free brands and see if it is the shampoo that is giving me dandruff. So I got this, and the packaging is very basic and very pharmaceutical kinds. I'm really loving this nail paint. It's, oh my god. Okay, so this happened. So I really like the color of this nail paint. It's basically a very pastely light pink, very candy-ish pink, you know. And I really like it. You'll have to put 3 coats at least for the color to go like really opaque. But I really like how it looks. It's very summery. Hope you guys can see it. It has just a hint of pink in it, and this one is actually from New You. It's just 50 bucks. Bhature, achar, aloo, lassi, and the cholas coming in. Cholas. Okay. Bon appetit. Let me. Veg. And we are going to my sister's place to meet my nephew. And Maxie is super excited. Maxie, you're excited, Mama? ढोकला है, कैसे दिया? 250 ग्राम ढोकला कर दो, और समोसे कर दीजिए 4। अंकल 250 ग्राम ढोकला एंड 4 समोसे।